One food that seniors should eat to rebuild leg strength fast. It is no secret that as we age, our leg strength tends to decline. But what if I told you there was a way to combat this by simply adding one food to your diet? And that food is salmon. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that eating just one serving of fatty fish like salmon per week was associated with an 11% lower risk of falling. Another study found that older adults who consumed more protein and vitamin D, which is found in salmon, were less likely to have a fracture. Salmon is also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when you are injured or have an infection, but it can also contribute to the breakdown of muscle and bone tissue. By reducing inflammation in the body, omega-3 South can help preserve muscle and bone mass, which is important for maintaining leg strength. In addition to its many health benefits, salmon is also a very versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways. It can be grilled, baked, pan-seared, or even smoked, and it pairs well with a variety of different flavors and ingredients. So if you're looking for a simple way to improve your leg strength and reduce your risk of falls and fractures, start by adding more salmon to your diet. 2. Best exercise for seniors to increase leg strength fast. As we get older, it can be difficult to find exercises that are both effective and safe for increasing leg strength. It's because many traditional strength training exercises are simply too risky for seniors to perform, such as squats, lunges, and leg presses. These exercises can put a lot of stress on the joints, which can lead to pain and injury. Fortunately, there is one exercise that has been shown to be highly effective for increasing leg strength in a safe and controlled environment. It is called the Bulgarian split squat. This exercise is performed by standing up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then, you would take one foot and place it on top of a chair or a low platform behind you. From there, you would lower yourself down by bending your knees until your thighs are parallel to the ground. And then you would push through your front heel to return to the starting position. The Bulgarian split squat is an excellent exercise for targeting the quadriceps muscles in the thigh, which are the primary muscles responsible for extending the knee. It is also a very versatile exercise that can be done with or without weights, and it can be easily modified for people with different fitness levels. For seniors who are looking to improve their leg strength and balance, the Bulgarian split squat is a great option. 3. How much protein do seniors need to rebuild leg strength? When it comes to building muscle and strength, protein is often the first thing that comes to mind. That's because protein is essential for the growth and repair of muscle tissue. However, getting enough protein can be a challenge for some seniors, especially those on a limited income or those with dietary restrictions. So how much protein do you really need to rebuild your leg strength? The answer may surprise you. According to a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, most sedentary adults need around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. However, this amount can vary depending on a number of factors, including age, activity level, and overall health. For example, older adults who are more physically active may need up to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day to support muscle growth and repair. When it comes to leg strength specifically, research has shown that consuming protein shortly after a leg workout can help increase muscle protein synthesis and improve recovery. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 3 servings of protein per day, with each serving containing about 20 to 30 grams of protein. These can come from a variety of sources, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, and tofu. Getting enough protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you're getting the protein you need to stay strong and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more senior health tips.